Hi everyone, I am Rahimah Zinsal, a first-year student. So in this video, I am going to talk about the ester band and the urea cycle. Okay, so let's talk about ester band. So ester band is a process in which carboxylic acids reacts into alcohol and then it will produce ester. That is why the ester is produced plus the water. And this process is called esterification. Okay, so yung nakikita nyo dito is an example of esterification. This is an example of esterification. Esterification. Okay. So, this is ethanoic, which is carboxylic acid. Ethanoic is a carboxylic acid plus methanol. This methanol is a alcohol. Nakikita nyo dito, methylethanoid. So, paano nakuha yung methylethanoid? So, first, we're going to remove this OL and then we're going to change it into Y and L. And then, here, and carboxylic acid, we're going to remove IC and we're going to change it to A. So, we have formed ethanoid and then methyl. Sorry, we're going to remove the A and OL. Then, naka-create tayo, we have create methyl. So, remember, when you are going to write it here, the equal, you're going to write the alcohol first, okay? Sa ester, alcohol yung inuunang isulat. So, we have formed methyl, which is the alcohol, methyl, and then plus the ethanoid, which is the carboxylic acid. Ethanoid. So, nakagawa tayo ng methylethanoid. And then, this is the ester. This is the ester. Diba? Yung kanina, carboxylic plus alcohol equals ester. So, how can we write this carboxylic acid and this alcohol in a chemical formula? So, we have here 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. So, this is a formula of ethanoic. Okay? This is a formula of ethanoic. So, plus 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. So, this is a chemical formula of methanol, which is the alcohol. So, you are going to add this one, but remember, again, we're going to eliminate the OH and the H. Okay, you're going to eliminate these two. So, you have formed carbon, 1 carbon, here, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen. So, etong kung titingnan mo, or if you're going to look at it, this is H2O, which is the chemical formula of water. Okay? So, ang nangyari, in-eliminate si water. Okay, so, paano to siya isusulat? Paano siya isusulat in a compound way? So, this is this carbon, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen is the methylethanoid. So, how do we write it in a compound way? So, eto siya, here. Look at this. So, 1 carbon, eto siya. Okay, 1 carbon has, meron siyang 3 hydrogen. So, eto siya. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. And then, 1 carbon again. Tapos, may oxygen, pero double bond. Then, oxygen. Mayroon naman tayong carbon. And then, may tatlong hydrogen. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. So, take note, esterification is a process kung saan carboxylic acid reacts into alcohol. Tapos, or kapag pinagkukumbine natin yung carboxylic acid and alcohol, then i-eliminate yung water, kagaya ng ginawa ko dito na-eliminate yung water. So, that is the ester bond. Let us proceed into urea cycle.
The goal of urea cycle is to eliminate ammonia from the body by converting it into urea cycle. So when you ingest protein or when you break down protein in your body, you're of course breaking them down into amino acid because amino acids are the protein building blocks of everything that we put together in the body. When amino acid gets catabolized or broken down, they form ammonia. Now, normally ammonia is not a problem for a healthy body, but a problem occurs when you can't get ammonia outside of the body because it builds a toxic level. Ammonia is sent to the liver where it's turned into urea. The urea is sent to the kidney and eliminated from the body. Only the kidney can eliminate urea from the body. Now, everything that you see in this slide shown here is the urea cycle. It is the urea cycle.